Williamson County is finally taking steps to prevent a wildfire.
KXAN Investigator Brian Collister first reported 2 years ago the county did not have a Community Wildfire Protection Plan. He joins us with an update on what's being done now. Brian.
Right, and that plan is now underway that will create that protection plan. It will help protect against the threats of wildfire by identifying areas at the greatest risk, and it tries to clear old hazards like brush. But if a fire does start, it also encourages collaboration between all emergency responders. Also, over the past 2 months, crews cleared brush around Williamson County Southwest Regional Park. The park is surrounded by several new subdivisions, estimated to be worth $80 million. To keep those homes from being torched by fire, crews have cleared a 50-foot area.
Our intent with this is that through the years it will just maintain this space and keep the grasses cut and keep it to where a brush truck could come in and help us fight a fire should we have a fire.
Now, FEMA paid 75% of the total project cost of $480,000, with the county paying the rest. And Williamson County officials are also taking input right now from residents on its wildfire protection plan. Should take a few months to put together and then be presented to commissioners.
All right, Brian, thank you very much.